up guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes. Look what I've got for sale. It's a right animal, this one. It's an Harley Davidson Fat Bob. 2017 on a 17 plate. Mega bike, these bundles of power. This one even more so. It's got a stage 2 kit on there. It's done 3,718 miles. You've got the super tuner, you've got the 2-into-1 Vanta 9's exhaust, you've got Screaming Eagle intake on there. Like I said, stage 2. So when it goes, and hopefully we can hear it in a few seconds. Finished off in a matte white with the silver finish. It's got the rear back. Let's have a look at that. Yep, sorry. Going back to this, obviously a backrest on there. Got your little bag on back. Yeah, mega bike. Lovely, lovely bike. LED backlights as well. Dead easy to read display. You've got your miles per hour on the middle and then your RPM on the outside. Fuel gauge just on the left hand side. Just looks like the fuel cap on the right hand side. Right, I want to give this beast a start up. Ooh, it blew my door off, almost anyway. Anyway guys, what an absolute belter. All you need to do, pop down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call on this one. Cheers. Keep the motor running.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.